Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jackson.
Why are you here, Chief?
We are here to inspect the Akulono site. You can see there is a massive work going on here. The businessmen in Lagos, particularly Balogu, have decided to come down to the east and invest. If you are going by the name Akulono, in English translation means the wealth is home. So we have been building and developing other places in Nigeria and even in diaspora. But this time around we decided to come down home and bring our wealth. This is one of the reasons why we are here, to inspect the ongoing work. The people gathered here are traders, investors, professionals, captains of industries all over Lagos. At the moment, we are equally extending the branch of fellowship to those who are in diaspora that will equally join us, because as you can see, this project is so massive. We want to reproduce what is happening in other nations in the Igbo land. We are in Enugu at the moment. This project is in Enugu. We are there with the governor yesterday, where we did a brief ceremony about this project. You can see that this is a milestone. Pray Lord Almighty to grant us the strength to do the job, because we cannot do it without Him. That is the major reason why we are here. We want to transform this place into a mega hub. We have so many facilities here. There are housing. We are building clusters of shops and malls. There are haulages. There are loading bays. Anything you can talk about with the bonded terminals, so on and so forth. We want to transform this place to be bigger even than Dubai and other Asian countries that are doing better in business.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.